This is becoming so common and it's a problem. And we want to educate all of our buyers and honestly sellers sometimes about wire fraud. And this sounds like something in the movies. Like, what is wire fraud? That's what major mobsters were arrested for. But wire fraud is simply stealing money by offering false wire information. So let's dig into how this is happening in the real estate world. You have a closing and you know you've got to wire your funds to close. And you get an email that looks really realistic from the title company that you're using, or maybe it's kind of vague and doesn't say a title company name, but they know about your mortgage, they know about your loan thanks to trigger leads and things that they can pull that are public record. And now they're sending you instructions on how to wire your cash to close. You see where this is going. And that wire does not go to your title company. It goes directly to some other account that is not yours that people are stealing. So here's the really important thing to do. When you are wiring money, and this goes way beyond just your mortgage transaction. If you are wiring money from your bank to another account, you want to call the company that you are wiring the money to. Call them directly. Get their name, get their number, call the title company and say, hey, I'm about to make you a wire for this cash to close. I want to verify that the wiring instructions, the numbers that I have are in fact your account. Make the phone call before you do the wire. It is really, really important that you don't send your thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars off to someone that is just trying to steal your money. I literally had someone about a year ago that had to wire about $75,000, 75 grand, and they got snagged with a fake email and they sent it to someone out of the country. It was a real problem. It took months to clarify and correct. It was not fun. So make sure if you get wiring instructions that you need to send the wire to, you make that phone call and check and make sure you've got the right number. Really important, worth the 15 minutes to clarify and make sure you've got the right numbers. Don't get caught in wire fraud. Now, with this information, if you are a realtor or a lender and you want to give this information to people that you network with, remember that the Recharging with Champions website, www.rechargingwithchampions.com, has a members area. And in that members area, there is a spot where you can go find all of your scripts. This is going to be under the December scripts, and it will have all of the information that I just shared in a format that you can just make the video. Or you could just take the bullet points and get the gist and make it fun. Hey, I don't know, put on a fun robber's mask and make a fun video with it if that's your style. Whatever it is, go out there and share this with your community because they need to know it, not just for the mortgage transaction, but they need to know this kind of scam is so easy to fall for in any transaction where they're wiring money. Go be the guru and make a video. We'll see you next time.